Hey everyone, it's Tim here. Thank you for joining. Today we are going to try some high tea or afternoon tea. I'm going to go with Mum and we're going to go to two places, one casual and one fancy. And the casual one is quite casual because that's at IKEA. The fancy one is at the historic FAIRMONT Hotel Vancouver. So they should be two very different experiences and also two very different costs. IKEA is $18 with the family card, and at the FAIRMONT it's $120. And I checked, they don't take the family card. I'm getting a little hungry. Thank you for joining. So let's head out to our first stop, which is IKEA. I can't wait to see the friendly folks there. So without further ado, let's head on out. Come on, let's go. Hey everyone, we are at IKEA with my mom here.
Hi.
And we're pretty excited here. They have a high tea today.
Yes.
Let's take a look. So this is our table over here, nice and decorated. This is our first stop. This is our the IKEA's afternoon tea or high tea service. Can't wait to check it out. Very casual. Hopefully no manners needed. And I think Mom's getting hungry. Let's get some tea and let's get some food. Let's go. I guess we'll start with the cup here. Lots of different teas to choose from. So we've got our tea here, and I guess we're just gonna wait for the tiers of endless sandwiches and scones or scones to appear. Without further ado, we have the food here.
Not a problem.
Thanks, Derek. Oh, look at this. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. So I think we start from the top down. So from savory to pastries to sweets. So let's take a look here. So they've got a cheese and leek pie here with some onions there. Oh, ham and cheese sandwich. Oh, the gravlax. You have to have that. And then, oh, some eggs and cucumber and shrimp. I love this because it's all organic and it's all no hormones and all that. And I think we want to start from here, go to the pastries, and then go back to the middle here. Beautiful strawberries. So let's see what they have here. So they've got some pancakes with sweet cream. Oh, look at those waffles with jam. I think that's a blueberry jam there. Cinnamon rolls, of course, some fresh fruits, and look at this. This is a nice little pastry here with lots of cream, and I love it because it's so thin. And then for dessert, let's see. Oh, we've got the famous dime cake. You can't get bored of that. I think that's lingonberry lemon square, some chocolate dipped strawberries, and I've never tried this one. This is a Swedish almond cake, and then of course the chocolate dipped strawberries there. So let's give it a try. So I think let's give these a try first. Very nice. Made a little bit of a mess. But the cheese and leek and the onions are really good. Very flaky. What a nice start. Let's try the cucumber and shrimp egg salad with dill. Very refreshing. Nice fatty egg yolks and shrimp and dill, and the cucumber really makes it nice and light. Really tasty. All right, so we had a couple of sandwiches here and a couple of savory items here. Really good. I can certainly get used to this. Very casual, lots of people here. Food's very tasty. So we'll continue working down the tiers. First tier, very, very good. Mom, what do you think?
Very fresh.
Okay, very fresh. All right. So we'll continue down the tiers here, and we'll have more cups of tea with cheers. So I think we're going to try the Swedish waffles with the blueberry jam. Oh boy, let's give that a try. Waffle is crispy, and then they've got a little bit of blueberry jam in there with some cream, and anything with cream is very good. Very buttery, the waffles. Very nice. one is not enough. I'll see if I can steal Mom's. All right, so we're working our way down through this. So we've got the waffles. I'm really curious to see what this little pastry thing is with the cream here. Can't wait to give this one a try. Wow, look at that. Very nice. I think this is a pastry or a crepe that's so thin, covered in sugar, but inside is a cream cheese or a cream filling with, I think it's lingonberry. It's a good guess at IKEA, but very creamy, really nice. So after multiple cups of tea and many little morsels of good food, I think it's time to work our way down to the dessert tier. And I can't wait to try the dime cake. The chocolate covered strawberries look pretty amazing too. Let's give that a try. Very good. You can't say anything bad about a chocolate covered strawberry. Very sweet, very fresh. Nice. So this is quite a nice experience here. So after a while here, it's kind of nice to nibble away at the nice foods here. Luckily, they're all in small portions, so really nice here. And actually, we've tackled all the plates here. So that's our first stop. This is IKEA, very casual. So pretty cool. Mom, what do you think?
High tea is so delicious.
I should have mentioned this is $25 for the both of us. Not expensive at all. So this is IKEA, our first experience at high tea or afternoon tea, but I can't wait to try the next place, which may be a little bit more formal. So let's check it out. So now let's head off to our next stop is the Hotel Vancouver. All right, so IKEA was pretty fair, and now let's head off to the fancier place, the Hotel Vancouver. I believe the Queen used to have tea here. So without further ado, let's go in. We're going through our table. Evangeline is leading us through the restaurant and through the secret little alcove. And here we are in a Victorian themed library for our high tea. So Evangeline, thank you so much. This is a beautiful table. Oh, look at this. So very different from the experience at IKEA. We're in this little hidden alcove here, and beautiful, really elegant here. And let's see what they have on the menu. And what caught my eye is the shrimp and lobster brioche. That looks really good. And I can't wait to see all the tiers of goodness that we'll have. So let's take a look here. All right, so our tea has arrived. We're ready to begin, and Serge and Terry has brought us a little starter, an Eton mess. Let's take a look here. Some custard and meringues. Let's give this a try. What a nice start. That's so light and airy. Meringue is crisp and chewy. Lots of strawberries, really nice here. Remember when the table was empty? This is what it looks like now. Look at this. Not only do we have the tiers of scones and savory sandwiches, but we also have a treasure chest of desserts here. So this is our first tier. So Mum is allergic to seafood, so no lobster for her. But they've got a lot of different dishes here. This is asparagus sandwich, roast beef sandwich with wasabi mayonnaise. Lots of good stuff here. Egg salad, I think. And then down here, we've got the lobster and shrimp sandwich. I think this is a chicken salad, the chicken salad sandwich. I think they call it the coronation chicken salad. That is a salmon roll with beet dust and all these fancy foods here. I think we need to start with the scones first. The raisin scones here. All right, so I got the raisin scones there, and I've got the regular scone. Scone or scone, you decide. So we've got the clotted cream, lots of good fat there, and some preserves. Let's give that a try. The scones are light and fluffy, a little crispy on the outside. That higher fat cream is delicious. Very good. All right, so I think we're finishing up on the first tier. Let's go for the savory sandwiches. Can't wait to show you the first sandwich here, and that's a shrimp and lobster sandwich. Some wonderful lobster filling in here, and little cream and caviar. Lobster filling is very rich and briny and sweet. Very nice. So I can't wait to try the salmon roll next. Let's take a look at that. Very elegant, lots of smoked salmon, and the beet just gives it a really nice flavor. Really nice roll here. So I think Mum and I will continue devouring the tiers of savory sandwiches, and I think we'll take you back for dessert. Cheers. All right, so let's go back to the treasure chest and let's see what they have. That aid there is the 80-year celebration of the high tea service here at the hotel. I can't wait to give the trifle a try, or the Earl Grey Eclair, the creme brulee. That Battenberg cake looks interesting. And then the treacle tart. So let's go with the Eclair first. So let's give it a try. It's not very sweet, and that's the nice part of it. It's got a beautiful chocolate, nice cream on top. It's got this Earl Grey filling. Very nice, very light. And a Victorian tea isn't complete without the trifle. Let's give that a try. So that looks really fantastic here. So we get the strawberry here, the trifle, and the custard. Not very sweet, and many layers here. It's like a dessert lasagna. So we still got quite a few things to work on. It never ends, and everything here is deceptively rich and deceptively heavy. It doesn't look like a lot, but oh, it'll fill you up. So we're just going to continue on and on and on, and we'll see you back shortly. After a couple hours into it, this is the final piece, the final cookie here. Everything was quite sophisticated and very different from IKEA. Let's give it a try. Very nice. What a wonderful way to end this fancy afternoon tea here. Oh, so Terry, thank you so much for a wonderful time.
And you are so very welcome. Please do come back and see us again.
Oh, this is amazing. Thank you again.
Celebrating our 80th anniversary.
Oh, I can see why. Thank you.
Okay, come back and see us.
All right. All right, so that was our high tea at the, or the afternoon tea at the Hotel Vancouver. So we tried both places, IKEA and Hotel Vancouver. Mum, which was your favorite?
Vancouver Hotel.
Okay. So, of course, two drastically different experiences. And two really different price points as well. So yeah, we've been to IKEA, we've been to the Hotel Vancouver. So I guess for high tea, which is more worth it to you, you decide. And so thank you so much for joining. And until we see each other again, all the best. Take care, and bye-bye.